virtual machine. Obviously, the host operating system has to support at least enough to be able to provide that memory to the guest operating systems. Concerning a video card, Virtual Server emulates the S3 Trio 64 graphics card with 4 megabytes of VRAM, and it also supports DirectX. Concerning IDE disk storage, Virtual Server emulates up to 4 IDE devices. These are hard drives, CD-ROM or DVD drives, or ISO images. And virtual hard drives that are up to, and this is a typo right here, I want to point this out. I copied and pasted these specifications here directly from the Microsoft TechNet web link above, and it says here 127 megabytes per IDE channel. This should be 127 gigabytes per IDE channel. 127 megabytes will barely allow you to store, a video file today. But 127 gigabytes is pretty significant. However, you might need to have a virtual server that has more disk storage than that. And in that case, you're going to have to go to a SCSI storage drive or a SCSI virtual hard drive to store more than 127 gigabytes per virtual hard drive. Now, concerning SCSI, Virtual Server 2005 R2 emulates the Adaptec 7870 SCSI adapter chipset. You can configure as many as 4 SCSI adapters on a virtual machine, and each SCSI adapter supports up to 7 virtual hard disks of up to 2 terabytes each. So obviously, if you need a lot of hard drives and a lot of hard disk storage, SCSI is the way to go when it comes to virtual machine storage. Now, when it comes to sound, Virtual Server 2005 does not include an emulated sound card. So there is no sound on your virtual servers. If you need sound, you need to run Virtual PC. So now let's find out what's new in the latest version of Microsoft Virtual Server. And I know that we've touched on some of these features already, but this is a summary of all the latest features from the Microsoft website that are in Microsoft Virtual Server R2 Service Pack 1 Beta 2. And that's the version that we'll be using to demonstrate the different virtual server installations and configurations in this video series. We'll be using Virtual Server R2 Service Pack 1 Beta 2. So the Beta 2 is a Service Pack 1 Beta 2. It's not a